Now we'll do problems based on basic proportionality theorem, chapter number 7, triangles. So let's start exercise 6.2. Question number 1 is, in the given figure 1 and 2, in the figure 1 and the figure 2, DE is parallel to BC in both the figures. We have to find EC in the first figure and AD in the second figure. So let's start for the first figure. In this one figure, triangle ABC is given and DE is parallel to BC. So we can write by the basic proportionality theorem, as in the triangle DE is parallel to BC, so AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now after putting the values, we get 1.5 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon EC. So by cross multiplication, we get 3 upon 1.5 is EC. After solving this, we get EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Now come to the second figure. In this figure also, DE is parallel to BC in the triangle ABC. So again, by the basic proportionality theorem, we can write AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So after putting the values, we get AD upon 7.2 is equal to 1.8 upon 5.4. Now after this we get AD is 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4 by cross multiplication of this. Then afterwards, after removing the decimal, we get the step AD is 18 upon 10 into 72 upon 10 into 10 upon 54, and simplifying this we get AD is 24 upon 10 and it is 2.4. So we can say the value of AD is 2.4 centimeter. The next question number 3. In the figure, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Now let's start this. For the solution, we have given this line LM is parallel to CB and line LN is parallel to CD. So we have to prove AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. So let's start proof. It is given in the figure in which the triangle, we are taking triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, we have LM is parallel to BC. So by the BPT, we can write AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC. This is the equation number 1. Similarly, in the triangle ACD, we can take NL is parallel to CD. Therefore, AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. So in these two equation number 1 and 2, we are getting AL upon AC is the equal for the left hand side of both equations. So things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, or we can say AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC and AL upon AC again equal to AN upon AD. This means AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Now let's come to the question number 4. In the figure, DE is parallel to AC. This side DE is parallel to the side AC and this side DF is parallel to side AE. We have to prove BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Again in this figure, we have the two triangles. We have to identify the triangles according to the given parallel lines. So first of all, it is given DE is parallel to AC. So first we have to take the triangle ABC, and the second statement is saying DF is parallel to the side AE. That means second triangle we will take ABE. So one by one we will write the BPT for the two triangles. So as it is given, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE, we have to prove BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. So let's take the triangle ABC first, where DE is parallel to the side AC. Remember, DE is parallel to the side AC. So we can write by the basic proportionality theorem, BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC. This is the first equation by the triangle ABC using basic proportionality theorem. Now again in the triangle ABE, now the small triangle ABE, where DF is parallel to AE. Remember, DF is parallel to AE. So again we can write using basic proportionality theorem, BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. This is the second equation. So the first equation we are getting by the triangle ABC, and the second equation we are getting by the triangle ABE. Now observe these two equations, first and second. In the first, BD upon DA, in the second the left hand side is also BD upon DA. So the left hand sides are equal. So we can write the right hand sides are also equal, as things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So we get by equation 1 and 2, BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. So it